Hey y'all, hi gorgeous girls and boys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slee, as always. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old, thanks for always passing by. On this channel I do makeup tutorial, hair tutorial, lifestyle vlogs and fashion videos as well. So you're welcome on board. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for being part of this lovely family. So today I'm going out for a meeting, so I decided to show you guys my very simple and sweet clean girl makeup. Like, not too much makeup. This is my regular type of makeup that I would take out. So no lashes, no too much, there's no harsh lines, there's no too much product, no flashbacks or whatsoever. Just something light, something like looks like skin, and I'm really loving it. So maybe you've been hearing of clean girl makeup. I mean, this is the epitome of clean girl makeup. Not too much highlights, not too much anything, just clean and sweet as skin. Very simple. So that's all I'm showing you in this video. A very simple 8 minutes video and nothing too much. So I would like you to sit back and enjoy, because I don't want to talk too much, because I have a lot of makeup tutorials on this channel. Because if you want a detailed tutorial, let me know. If you also want an eyebrow tutorial, detail foundation routine, whatever it is, leave it in the comment section below. Let me know and I will do that for you. Or if you feel like this video is not as detailed as you wanted and you want me to replicate this video, I will do that for you. Okay, so feel free and leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me how you feel about this makeup and I'll be so glad, and I'll love to read your comments and respond to your comments in the comment section below. Okay, so please make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the post notification, give this video a very big thumbs up, because that helps the channel a lot. So please do that for me. And before I forget, guys, thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers. If you contributed to the 3,000 subscribers, thank you so much for being part of it. I really do appreciate you, even though it took a long time, as in it took 3 years for me to get the 3,000 subscribers. That's funny, right? Because a lot of work has gone through that and all of that, but I'm still grateful anyway. Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. So we're good. We keep pushing until we get to the goal. Okay, thank you so much for contributing. And if you haven't subscribed, like I said earlier, please subscribe. And please, as a way of saying thank you to me for giving you all this premium content, please make sure you watch all the ads on this video for me. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video. Please enjoy the rest of the video.